Okay, in fact, talking about Lupin's numbers, I think we can cut across to the press conference and hear out from the management themselves as to what went wrong with the Q3 performance.
America gained 6%, whilst APAC was kind of sluggish, EMEA was also kind of, EMEA was kind of sluggish. As Dr. Sharma was saying, the results are, were also pretty bad only because of the fact that you had one times in terms of the forex hit, which is close to about 96 crores for this year. The other issue is the fact that when the tax rates in America, when it went down, you would expect things to be better for us in the long term. But unfortunately, this quarter, we had the impact of, in fact, the winding down of the deferred tax asset. It cost us about 40 crores in this, in this particular quarter. If you were to knock off those two, the results would be normalized, would be in fact much better than what has been reflected in our financials. In terms of EBITDA, EBITDA was about 18.3% for this quarter. If you were to normalize for forex, you would see it is close to about 21%. For the full year, we've been again for the first 9 months at least, we've been able to maintain about 21%. This quarter, we also closed with, in fact, an R&D spend of about 12.2%, which is in line with what we did in the previous quarters as well. And we are targeting about 12.5% for the full year. That would keep our pipeline flowing. And when you speak about, in fact, the prospects for, in fact, the specialty, and Vinita will certainly talk a lot more about it, we bought into Solasec this year. As to the rest of the details, Vinita would take it forward.
Hi friends, while the current year has been challenging as we had anticipated, we remain committed to evolve our business into complex generics as well as specialty. While
you've had, okay, the writing's on the wall, and you've seen a very disappointing show of earnings from Lupin. The management is indicating what went wrong, but I think the drug delay, delays in the drug launches, as well as their issues with the US FDA are pretty much known and documented by the market. We've had S. Ramesh earlier on also come out and say that, look, don't expect fireworks from the earnings next couple of quarters. In fact, if my memory serves me right, he said the next 4 quarters would be tough. So through FY19 as well, they will be facing headwinds and challenges in delivering the numbers. I guess they pretty much stayed on course of telling the markets that, look, things are not going to improve anytime soon. And I think that's a frank opinion. Now, how the market takes to it from a valuation standpoint, from a price to earnings standpoint, is something that's entirely different. In fact, I'll put that question to Deepak Shenoy, who joins in with his perspective in the market.